10 Fiverr freelance gigs that require no skill. If you're looking to make money online as a freelancer, then you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll present to you 10 ways to make money on Fiverr with virtually no skill. In case you're not familiar with it, Fiverr is currently one of the most popular online marketplaces for freelance services. Not only can one find virtually any type of service on the platform, from article writing to having someone record a prank video for you, Fiverr is also perhaps the easiest website for freelancers to get started making money with. Be a digital arbitrator. A digital arbitrator is someone who buys things online and then sells them to other people at a higher rate. Through this, the arbitrator gets profit. The same strategy is applicable for Fiverr. Review the top gigs of any skill, buy a top-ranked gig, rewrite the gig, and post it again on Fiverr. Don't use the copy-paste format. Sell it on a higher price. Keep the profit in your pocket after giving the 20% to Fiverr. Like the idea? Yes, it's not that profitable, but can give you some extra cash for yourself. Once you start doing it, you'll find many new things, I bet. Build your own team. Another smart solution requires some good communication skills. Build your team that has specific skills. Then get related work through freelancing and other platforms. All you have to do is lead the team to get the work done. So it will also make you as a team leader. You can build your team from your college mates or people around you. You can also promote your services through websites, blogs, social media, etc. Many people have been successful using this business strategy. If you are interested in becoming a successful learner and earner, give a regular visit to our YouTube channel, as we constantly post helpful videos. Hundreds of aspirants are already earning through our guidance. Internet is the savior for every person who wants to do something big, who has been criticized by the people around them. Just get a laptop with the internet and start your journey right now. To know the exact path, watch our other videos and you will get a better understanding of the online industry. Subtitling videos and transcribing audio. If you have a good ear and can type while listening to a video, subtitling videos and transcribing audio are two easy ways to make a lot of money on Fiverr. There are also free services to help you. YouTube and Facebook create automatic subtitles when you upload a video. You don't need to publish it. All you need to do from there is edit the subtitles. Free services like oTranscribe let you slow down, quicken, or pause audio while transcribing with the click of one button on your keyboard. It will cut your transcribing time down exponentially. This is not that cheap. It can give you $500 to $1,000 revenue per month. Travel planning. Do you love planning trips and going on vacation? You can get paid for doing what you love. There are buyers on Fiverr looking for travel advice or planning. If you know your way around a touristy city or are an expert in finding the best places to go in a new town, put your skills to good use. It will take a bit of time to find some clients, but you can get a handsome income trickling out each month. You can then expand your business to some next level using the same idea on the internet, as there are a lot of seekers for this gig not only on Fiverr, but also on many other websites around the world. And yes, this gig is not specific for only one region. It's for the entire world. No matter where you are sitting in the world, you can earn through it. Social media services. If you know your way around social media channels, you can put your knowledge up for sale. You can offer to create posts for a business, give advice on a creative copy, or help someone gain followers. And yes, you can be a VA of someone by controlling his or her social media pages and accounts. It's also one of the most highest paying gigs present on the internet, with no special skill set except for uploading and writing post description. Data entry. Buyers will often provide you with data from forms, audio, or other means to enter into a spreadsheet or a unique system that they use. Data entry isn't the most glamorous job on Fiverr, but it certainly pays well if you have no skills. The most you'll need to know is how to use Microsoft Excel. If you know how to use Excel, PowerPoint, and other software in this category, then this one could be for you. This gig has a beauty that you can find some permanent clients on the internet. In this way, you can produce a good income coming in each month. And you can hire a team to expand it and do it on a next level. Nowadays, data entry jobs are coming out in very large amount, and be sure to provide the quality work if you want to be with someone on long terms, which we recommend the most. Virtual assistants. Virtual assistants is one of the Fiverr gig ideas that is in high demand right now, and luckily, you don't need to know much to be one. Buyers typically look for someone to help them with administrative tasks, from making appointments to answering emails. And the best part is, you don't even need to go into an office to do it. Try to pair yourself with someone famous on the internet, because in this, you can earn good. Software testing. Companies are always looking for people to test the usability of their new websites, apps, software, and other technology. You can post a gig offering your services to test out new software and provide your feedback. Buyers will typically give you instructions on how to start using the tech, so you don't need a lot of knowledge beforehand. You can take help from platforms like YouTube to see how can you test the software. People are seeking experts, so be sure to communicate professionally. Many tools are available on the internet which can be proved helpful in this particular niche. Many big companies also hire people to test software before launching it to the market. In China, game testers are also very famous in the same category. Phone calls and distribution services. If you're not afraid of calling up strangers or distributing flyers in public, consider posting a gig for just that. Companies need people to make phone calls, selling something, or asking for feedback. You can also post gigs to specific locations and offer to hand out flyers or ads in your neighborhood. It does not require any special skill set or training, but what can be difficult for you is simply finding clients who are seeking your service. It's not a very high-paying job, but still has enough potential, so why not give it a try? Conclusion. You don't need to know how to create a high-quality video or touch up a photo in Photoshop to make money on Fiverr. It's as easy as testing out a new app or entering data into an Excel sheet. Fiverr fees are reasonable, and you get to keep 80% of your revenue. Once you create a profile, have set up some catchy Fiverr gig images, and set your price points for each service, you'll be well on your way to earning money on Fiverr without any skills. Make sure you subscribe to the channel before leaving. Believe me, it's worth doing.